So kindergarten is first gonna start off.
Very good. So everybody, welcome to Learn with Miss Nancy. And I have three brilliant, beautiful young ladies here. And they're going to share some information with those of you who are going to kindergarten for the first time. So let's introduce ourselves. Your name is?
Aria.
Aria.
And I'm 9 years old.
And she's 9 years old. And your name is?
My name is Ronnie and I'm 7.
And she's 7. And you are?
Bobby.
What's your name?
Bobby.
Bobby. And how old are you?
I said Poppy.
Oh, Poppy. Oh, okay. And how old are you?
4.
4. Okay. Thank you for coming. So here's some questions. Now, for young people that are going to kindergarten for the first time, do you remember what your first day was like? What should they expect? What was your first day like, Aria?
Boring. It's boring.
It's a blank?
Boring.
Boring. Oh, boring. Why do you say boring?
Because all we did, they was like, and the parents had to stay after school.
Mm-hmm.
And, well, it was fun after because you run us to 5 below.
So that's why it was fun. Well, how was your first day, though? Sit down, baby.
So we barely stayed there for long.
Mm-hmm.
So it was kind of like this in the middle.
It was in the middle. So a kindergarten, it might not be exciting for them. It's going to be a long, boring day. It might be. Okay. Well, Monty, how was your first day at kindergarten?
My first day at kindergarten, you guys, you're gonna be excited.
She was excited. Okay. Why were you excited, Imani?
Guys, I'm just tapping. That was so scary.
Mm-hmm. Tell us why.
I didn't have no friends.
Okay.
Guys, don't let your kid go to kindergarten.
Okay.
And then I was kind of excited, but kind of nervous because you guys was all cheering.
Oh, the family was all excited, but then when you went inside, it was hard for you
I
because
didn't even know where to go.
Oh, okay.
It was like my baby is going to kindergarten.
So a kindergarten might be excited or they might be bored, according to you ladies. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, baby, you're laughing, but you're not in kindergarten yet. What grade is she going to?
She's going to. She's still in preschool.
She's still in preschool. Okay.
You gotta
So, do you
stay.
like preschool, JoJo? Poppy. Do you still like preschool?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. All right. Here's the next question. What does a kindergarten classroom look like?
So at my school, probably not at your school, but
Okay.
I used to go to a private school, but it was a lot of money. But anyways, it had a smart board in the front,
Mm-hmm.
a rug,
Mm-hmm.
and then on the side, it was a desk,
Mm-hmm.
and then in the back, it was chairs,
Mm-hmm.
and then on all the way in the back, it was another desk. And there was a door on the side, and it had some wobble chairs.
Was it decorated? Was it bright and welcoming? Was the room bright?
No, it was old.
Oh, it was old.
Old
Okay.
that's been there for a million years. They
Oh.
closed down right now.
Oh,
Like
okay.
I'm not even lying.
Okay. Okay, Monty. How was your? Wait a minute, baby. Let me ask Monty. How was your first day? How was your classroom?
I had a smart board at the top.
Mm-hmm.
And my school probably not sure. I had chairs and I had a thing for the water bottles all to go so it wouldn't be spilling on. I had 2 bathrooms and that's it.
Okay. Was it bright and beautiful for you?
That door is bright.
It was bright. Okay. Did it have a lot of books for you to read?
They definitely had a lot of books.
Oh, good. Well, that's good. Definitely had a lot
My
of books.
teacher loved books.
Oh, that's
That
good.
door was almost stacked with books.
Good. That means that they want you to learn how to read. Ari, did you have a lot of books in your
I
room?
didn't know how to read.
Oh, okay.
I only had like 4 books.
4 books?
Yes, I'm not lying.
Okay. Now, let me ask you this. Is it easy to make friends in kindergarten?
It's good.
Not, to me it was, but to y'all,
It's not really
no,
because
it's
because
hard.
little Nancy,
It depends.
little Nancy, does not
People
like
judge on your style, but
They
a
do?
lot. They actually be judging on your style. It depends how you look.
Okay, really? What does
Like,
that mean?
if you look bad, they will be like, so, I don't want to be your friend. And if you look really cute, they will be like, some, or handsome, they will be like, some,
Oh, really? So they judge your
I'm
style.
naturally beautiful.
Yes.
So they wanted to be my friend.
Oh, okay. So they judge your look. Okay, what about you, Bonnie? Was it easy for you to make friends?
They be judging me. They be like,
Really? And what did you say to them?
I said, what?
Well, were you able to walk up to people and say hi? And I would like to be your friend, or can we be friends? Did you walk up to anybody or no?
No way.
You don't like that?
Those people are random.
They can
Oh,
just
okay.
say, can I be your friend?
Okay. Do they do that in kindergarten? Do they say, can we be friends? Do they do that?
Sometimes
I just
it
wait.
just depends on your
I just
style.
wait
If
for
you look
somebody
bad,
to say,
Okay.
can
they're
you
not
be
gonna
my
be your friend.
Okay. So my Aria says it
Trust
depends on your style.
Trust me.
Okay. Depends on your
So
style.
y'all better look good for kindergarten, because if they judge your style a lot.
Oh, they judge
And
us.
if they be after me, just say I look beautiful or handsome the way I am.
Okay.
Now, get out my face.
Okay.
Or can you please stop being mean to me?
Okay. Very good. I like that, Aria. So, Monty, was it easy for you to make friends or no?
They was all up in my face. I was like,
Oh, you don't like them all up in your face.
I think they didn't brush their teeth well.
Okay, so you have to make sure that you brush your teeth so your breath will smell good.
Everybody talking about brushing your teeth.
Okay.
Brush your teeth extra, so your breath won't be stinking at school. So brush your teeth extra. Scrub your tongue, because that tongue is going to be dirty.
Okay. But other than that, if they have good smelling breath, are they able to make friends with you?
If they're not all up in my face.
Okay, now. All right, next question. How about your teacher? What does a kindergarten teacher do?
So first of all, both of my kindergarten teachers was nice, and I had two. One had a different color skin, and the other had a different color skin. So it was both different color skins.
What does that mean?
I don't know. One was Caucasian and one was black.
Okay.
So then the assistant was black. I feel like some teachers they like way over too much stuff. Like they have way over too much stuff. They be like something. You got come here! Give me a hug! Hi!
Okay, what is that? They're a little too hyper?
No. Guys, don't.
So about you, Monty, what about your teachers? How were your kindergarten teachers?
When I say reading books all day, I say reading books all day.
Oh, that's good.
Sometimes she doesn't even teach to read a book.
Oh, okay. But you're going to learn to read in her class, right?
I have two different teachers. One
Okay.
is a math teacher, one is my real teacher.
Okay. So the reading teacher, she makes sure that but that's good, Monty. She wants you to learn how to read, you know? So so you talked about the things that really bothered you. What about the fun stuff? Were there any things that was fun?
Love to talk about the
So
Okay, what's the fun stuff?
So not in kindergarten, but like in first grade.
No, let's do kindergarten because we're going to talk. But what's the fun stuff in kindergarten?
Arts and crafts and stuff.
Oh, arts and crafts. Okay. What about sports?
They don't do sports.
No sport?
They did soccer. They did a soccer program, and I went in the soccer program. I was beating everybody in soccer. I was like something.
Of course, because you're fast. What about you, Monty? What kind of activities or fun stuff did they have at your school?
Loved my teacher. Every time we get a jar filled up with gems, we get a party.
Ooh, so you get parties.
Yeah.
Oh, do you get a lot of gifts and toys and treats in kindergarten?
No.
Do you get snack time?
Party.
No.
I got it's snack time.
Do you take naps in kindergarten?
Nope.
No naps?
No.
If you're sleeping, you can't just lay on the cot and go to sleep like in pre-K?
No.
Nope.
Well, how is
They
kindergarten
like some-
how is kindergarten different from
I was about to
pre-K?
say.
Look, okay,
Miss,
so,
when is it time to sleep?
I know.
Okay, how is it different?
So first of all, in pre-K, they was like, yo, it's time for nap time.
Right.
And they like, so, yeah. And then in preschool, you just sit on your desk and like,
No, in kindergarten.
kindergarten, you sit on your desk like this.
Oh.
And be like, some, wake up.
Oh, okay. So you got to get used to not going to sleep. Oh,
Some people
okay.
wake up late.
Do you have to do a lot of writing in kindergarten?
My hand almost
Oh,
fell off.
Really? Wow. Do you do a lot? Do you color a lot?
Yes.
You have to do a lot of writing your name.
Oh, okay. By practicing your, so you have to practice writing your name. You practice reading. Did you learn? Let me ask you something. This is a good question because a lot of preschoolers, like my Avery, you have to learn your sight words. Did your learning your sight words in preschool help you with kindergarten?
When I was in kindergarten, I knew second grade reading.
Wow!
When I was in
I
Wow!
was really smart.
Okay.
I was the nerd in the classroom.
You were the what?
I was the nerd in the classroom.
Why you say the nerd?
But not like the glasses. The
Why'd you say the nerd?
The smartest in the classroom.
The smartest. Okay.
I was
Okay.
just like, because I always was the best kid in class. All the kids had to do at least something bad. And
You were well
I was
behaved.
always good. And if someone needed help to me, because some people at this age, like when they're like Imani's age, like 7th to 2nd grade, I was at camp. And they didn't know how to read. They didn't even know how to read how.
Wow. So they really need to learn those
They were
words.
7. They didn't even know how to read
Ah,
how.
well, that's not good. So that's one thing. Kindergarten, learn your sight words.
Yeah.
So before we go, I thank you for answering some of the questions. Can you sing a song first before we go?
Free time.
Learning can be fun for
Nancy.
Learning can be fun with Miss Nancy.
It's time.
It's time. It's time for learning. Learning can be fun with Miss Nancy.
Bye. Hi, friends. Don't forget to subscribe to Learning with Miss Nancy. Thank you.